This is about as far away from back to the office as you can get. I've never heard of this company, but if you go to a state where cannabis is legal, you see lines out the door or drive up shops with cars, industrial commercial real estate for cannabis. The company is?
IIPR, Brian. Thank you for having me this morning. And I think it's one you should learn about. So here's the thing. Cannabis is legal in 12 states, but it's illegal federally. So this means that a lot of banks, a lot of companies don't want to deal with cannabis companies. Now, if you do deal with one, you're not coming into, they're not paying for their bills with $100 bills and brown paper bags. Okay, you can still use a banking system, but the regulations are onerous. So IIPR has created a niche for itself, understanding these regulations, getting around them, working with them. So they buy the property on behalf of the companies and they do a sale leaseback. It's a REIT, it's a real estate company, it's a 2.45% yield. Cannabis is a $20 billion industry growing 5-10% a year, expected to be 25 billion in a few years. So this is one we think it's great. What we like about it is that it's a secular growth story. And I've got some other ideas for you.
Yeah, I saw one of them here because we know that people bought one of three things during COVID, Kate. They bought a house, they bought a car, or they bought a pet, or maybe they bought all three of the above. This may be the first time an Idaho company is recommended on Worldwide Exchange. Tell us about Pet IQ.
Okay, Pet IQ is another one. Now, Pet IQ is, it's a little damaged. The stock is down by 30% in the last month or so because they missed earnings, they missed their numbers. But this is another secular growth story that we like because we've got some trends going on. During COVID, pet ownership increased, I believe, 20%. 60% of American households own pets now. You got the trends of pet humanization. Pets are coming into our homes. They're living longer. They need more medicine. They're getting diabetes. They're getting some of the problems we're getting. And people want to take care of their pets. So medications used to be sold in vet clinics. Now people want to go into the grocery store, their Kroger. They want to buy their pets. So this is another one we think is a winner long term.